Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of Quarantine Skin with Angel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these guys. What are these? They look like bath bombs, but actually they are shower melts. They are packed with menthol crystals, so you place them in the corner of your shower as you're showering and let the water drip on them and splash onto them, and they're going to start to foam up and release tons of amazing aromatherapy. It's going to be a full-on aromatherapy experience with essential oils and menthol crystals. It's really going to help open up your airwaves if you have any congestion. Also just give you that really nice fresh feeling, full-on aromatherapy.
All right, so let's get started. So to an empty bowl, I'm adding about a tablespoon and a half of menthol crystals along with a splash of rubbing alcohol. Now what the rubbing alcohol is going to do is break down the crystals and help bring them to a liquid consistency, so then we can work it into the shower melt. Following that, I'm going to sift a cup of baking soda, followed by 1/4 a cup of cornstarch, and then 1/3 a cup of citric acid. I'm going to sift it all together so then there are no clumps. Following that, I'm just going to mix everything together, make sure it's all combined really nicely. Here we have the menthol liquid that we made a little bit earlier. And to that, I'm adding 20 drops of eucalyptus essential oil, 20 drops of peppermint essential oil, and about 20 drops of tea tree essential oil. Now that's going to help the aromatherapeutic properties in the shower melt. And now for a little bit of color, I'm adding some powdered mica, and that's just going to give us the nice color that we want. And mica comes in a variety of colors. So I'm not too crazy about this color, so we are going to add a little bit more mica. You can add as much or as little as you want. It's not going to change the integrity of the shower melt, but just the color. And now once I feel like I've mixed everything as much as I can with the whisk, I'm going to go in with my hands and try and make sure I have the right consistency. The consistency we're looking for is kind of like wet sand or like brown sugar, just so that we're able to squeeze it together and it won't fall apart and it'll hold really nicely. So here I have a silicone baking mold, and that's what I'm going to let my shower melts work into and dry in. So we're just going to pack it, make sure it's really tightly packed. I'm also going to use the back of the measuring cup to make sure it's really packed in there and get it nice and as tight as possible, so then we don't have any issues and it won't crumble on you. But the key thing is to make sure everything is really dense. Now, once you feel that you're in a good place, you're just going to let them sit overnight to dry out. And as you can see here, I made another batch. This is a lavender batch, so it has a little bit of lavender essential oil. And there we go with the menthol liquid. But you can honestly do them in any color and any scent. But I do feel like the menthol crystal is completely essential to getting what you really want out of your shower melt. The menthol crystals are really going to help contribute to that obviously mentholy smell, but also contribute to that aromatherapeutic sinus cleansing sensation that you're going to want, and really going to bring that spa-like energy to your shower. So, to be completely honest, I didn't have all these ingredients in my cupboard, obviously, like the citric acid and the mica and the menthol crystals. So honestly, I just picked them up on Amazon. It was super easy. They're really inexpensive, so you don't have to worry about breaking the bank making these shower melts. And I used maybe about less than a quarter altogether, so it definitely will go a long way, and you can make multiple shower melts. This batch made right under a dozen, so I would say I could probably make at least 3 or 4 more dozen without any issues. So you will have longevity within the materials that you buy, and it won't be just buying it once and then that's it. You will be able to experiment and make many other shower melts and bath bombs if you please.
So these are them done. I let them hang out in a cool, dry place overnight, and they are pretty hard, rock solid hard. Well, not rock solid, but pretty solid. and I really, really love them. I love having them for whenever I want just a little added extra something in the shower. I think they're really nice. They help relieve congestion and clear up any sinuses, and they're really great for the respiratory system. So I really, really love them. So because they are therapeutic as well as great for your respiratory system, I am going to be sending them to nurses just as a little thank you for everything they're doing for us right now. If you know any nurses that would love this, please let me know, and I would love to get some over to them. So please let me know, and thanks for watching, guys. All right, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's stay in touch. Let's have fun. Let's interact. Let's talk. Ask me anything. All right, guys, have a good one. See you soon.